Sorry about it, been very little video lately. Now I'm down in the storage facility. We have to move away some cars to get out some other things. And now I have been, you see here, some old Toyotas. Old Toyota, some Lexus, Mercedes S-Class, CLK, a Jaguar that belonged to some other, Toyota Corolla, and more Lexuses. A Camry, a Jaguar, one more old Carina, and one Porsche. You have to move some of this car further in. So it's a little to get in another car here and to move out some other things and to make this more practical. So it's a little stress to get everything fixed and up. But now I'm just trying to, I have to try to start up this Camry and see if I can move it beside the other here to be able to just take the Jaguar right back. Yeah, luckily I got put on my health battery here to start up the Cayenne, and it's with a small battery, only that one. It started, so I just have to let this one maybe charge up a little and go and get the Range Rover. Yeah, now the Range Rover is got into the garage. I have more parts lying. I'm going to change a box here and I have one more box. So I'm going to change it out. Now I'm just turning off some light here and prepare to go and pick up the boy from training. So please come back and see more. I just have to update you a little because it's been so long since last time. So please come back, please start following the channel if you haven't. Please put some comments. Thank you.